Hello guys and welcome to Hackman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you I'm going to be telling to you why should you choose the forex market instead of the stock market. Now the forex market is it is a market in which the pairs of currencies are traded, like I've mentioned in the previous videos of mine. And the stock market is stock market is that market in which shares of different companies are listed, are traded. So this is the difference between the stock market and the forex market. Now to be more precise, the forex market is open 24 hours a day till 5 days or 6 days, and is closed, is unavailable for 1 day or 2 days, that is Saturday or Sunday. These 2 days the stock the sorry this, these 2 days the forex market is open. 1 day or 2 day the forex market is unavailable, and the stock market as well. But the thing about the stock market is that it's the trading hours are only from 9 to 5 or 9 to 4. These are the trading hours for the stock market. Now if you have a regular job or day job and that is 9 to 5, so it would be it is a bit difficult for you to do your day job and as well the stock market. If you want to use the stock market as a side hustle, it is a bit impossible for you do it to trade in the stock market from 9 to 5. Now if you consider a forex market, this is the con of the stock market, that trading in the stock market. Well, there's another way of trading in the stock market, is that if you have a day job and you can trade in the stock market as a long term trader. You know that buy shares of different companies, hold those shares for 1 2 3 5 months or 6 months, for a longer period of time. In that case you can make huge profit. But if you want to day trade or short term trade, then that's difficult for you, because you also have a day job and it would be impossible for you to manage both. If you consider a forex market, the forex market trades 24 hours a day for 5 or sorry for 5 or 6 days. That is the timing, or 6 days. This is the timing for the forex market. Now if you have a day job like this, it is possible for you, and it is easy for you to trade in the forex market, because the forex market is also open after you have came home after your job, and you can trade easily in the forex market. The forex market, what I've noticed is that it is a bit limited, and the stock market is there are many different companies listed in the stock market. So this is the main difference. The forex market is very liquid. Heavy trading happens at 24 by 5. So you will have to be active for it. You will have to be active for it to know where to get out of a trade, where to exit or enter a trade, and all of those things you will have to keep in mind before trading in the forex market, because forex market is highly volatile and highly liquid. It is also highly risky, so you will have to be very precise about trading in the forex market. I personally I personally trade in the stock market, because the stock market is something that I'm new to trading on all that stuff, so I'm trading in the stock market for now. But later on I may also shift to the forex market as well, because I see it more profitable than the stock market. Not profitable in that way because of making more profit, but it is highly beneficial for me as well, as I have a day job as well. Now I trade in the stock market. I do my regular job, and it will give me an option on to trade option of trading in later on after my job. So that's what I'm planning to do. So I'm preparing for to start an account in the forex market as well, to start a forex account as well, to trade the currencies and all that. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.